كان الخليج العربي المكان المثالي واستحكم عن اليوم. كان على تواصل نفسه أن يكون آخرا بالحياة حيث يكون معه كبير.
Oh, giant lapu-lapu. Giant lapu-lapu.
Oh, they're coming at you! Look up! Look up!
Wow!
Hi, fishes!
Giant lapu-lapu.
Ay, Riba? That is Riba?
Giant lapu-lapu. Yan, ano yan, oh, yung tawag dyan, talakitok. Talakitok yan, oh. Wow, giant lapu-lapu.
Kapatid nyo, patupad. Tayo ka dyan.
Landing grave. Wow, Riva, look. Riva, look.
Ang daming tao.
Look the fish. Oh, lapad.
Look for eyes in the sand. Ano? This one.
Lapad.
Is that fish?
Riva, look. Look at the fish.
Isa
Lapad.
nakahiga, oh.
Fish in the sand.
Nag-evolve yan eh.
Parang palitaw eh.
Nag-evolve siya na yung mata niya ilagay lahat yung dalawa sa taas. Kasi nga, ano, lagi siya nakahiga.
I didn't know there are.
Oh, there's one more.
Mama. It's called so.
Ay, ito yung ano, mga coral na yun.
Ano sarap yun? Siya sarap. may stingray oh. Sa taas. Nak, may stingray doon sa taas.
Rico, look up.
Ayun oh, stingray oh. Look, stingray.
Stingray. Very good.
Stingray. Stingray, di ba? Ah, is that stingray?
Oh, there.
Oh, lapad.
Where is one?
Picture daddy. Like that, I guess.
The sub. Let's go to the sub. Where is? Again, stingray coming here, over here. Stingray. Stingray. One more stingray. We are here on the submarine. What's
Looking
that?
at you, Rico.
Looking at Riva.
What's that?
Hi, touch.
Ano yan? Pufferfish?
Pacific Ocean. This region is known for its natural disasters and catastrophic events caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and tsunamis. Did you know that this region alone contains over 75% of the Earth's volcanoes?
Riva, come here.
Yung gagawin niya bangkaya, tapos pupunta sa atin, gawin natin ano.
Touch the sun, Riva. Touch the
Riva,
sun.
look.
Look, oh.
Look
Sun,
at the
though.
sun.
Gusto niya yan, no? Ayan. Sensory.
Butas nagiging magma. May butas nagiging magma.
Ay, may tao sa loob. Nak, may tao sa loob ko.
Ha?
May tao sa loob. Riva, look, aquarium car.
Pasok ka sa loob, Riva. Pasok ka sa loob, Riva. Dewa pa lang.
What's that, Riva? What's that? Riva, what's that? Jellyfish.
Diba?
Electric eel.
Ay, gumalaw na. Nakakatakot. Para ang bilas na hindi ko ba kung nalapit ka sa'yo.
Kuryente yan.
What's that, di ba? Wala din.
Watch this.
Nakakatakot. Parang pag nalapit sa'yo yan.
Say
What's that,
it.
Riva?
Eel.
Eel. Electric eel.
Nakabuti di sila na ang mga kalawang. Hindi mo puro kapatid.
Frozen Ocean. Let's go to Frozen Ocean. Riva, come on. Frozen Ocean. We're here to Frozen Ocean. Uy, may ano pa siya, oh, may volcano sa ilalim, oh, underwater volcano. Oh. Uy, king crabs. The king crabs. Grabe, lalaking crabs to na. Oh, king crabs is here.
Penguin, oh, so many
Look,
penguin.
penguin. What's that, Riva?
Penguin ba yan? Ayun ang penguin, no? Ay, hindi siya penguin. Bakit hindi siya penguin? Hindi siya penguin.
Oh, right.
Go to the flooded forest.
The forest.
Kung saan wala kayo sa revolution pa. Malakas. Ano mo tawag dito na? Saan?
Flooded forest. Uy, may mga monkey, oh. Giant turtle. Giant fish. Big turtle, Riva, look, Riva, look. Big turtle, look.
Hello, big turtle.
Hello, big turtle.
Ayun, turtle. Makakanap ko sila.
Hello, monkey.
Ang lakit na gapo.
Oo nga eh.
Tarshi, Tarshi.
Paano na? Lalaro sila.
Di ba they're playing, no? Yeah, nagkakagatan lang.
Wala siyang bato, nahuwang bato.
There. Look, Riva, what's that? Oh, giant fish. Get.
Look! Look
Come, come.
Fish bird! Look at fish bird! Kataas din yung bird, oh.
Nalilito na si Riva.
Riva turtle! Touch the turtle, Riva!
Bawi pagong, grabe yun. Dami yung nakapatong, oh.
Asa sasabi pa dito? Ano stingray? On? Oh, stingray yan. Ang dami, no? Lalapad, no? Lalaki. Ang lalapad, dami.